Hi, I'm Kalisa Marie Martin, AKA Kalisa Marie Eats, and today is gonna be so much fun because Tastemade has partnered up with Team FreeStyle Libre, and I'm here with Notoriously Dapper, author and model Kelvin Davis.
Yes, and I am so excited to be here. And being recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, I'm really interested to see the healthy twist that we do on my favorite dishes.
Well, have you ever had kimchi?
I have.
Okay,
yes.
do you like it?
You know what? My name is Kelvin, but I feel like my name should be Kimchi.
Okay.
That's how much I love it.
Well, that is really good to hear because today we are going to be making kimchi cauliflower fried rice. So you mentioned you were recently diagnosed. How has that changed your life?
I've become more healthy, more food conscious, but now I have the FreeStyle Libre 3 system, which sends the level straight to my phone. I no longer have to do finger pricks, and it's helped me lower my A1C from a 12 to 5.6.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Let's get into this recipe. Kimchi is the star of this dish. So we need about a cup. So I'm going to measure a cup in here.
Okay.
We don't want our kimchi to add like sogginess, so I'm gonna ask you to give it a good squeeze over this bowl.
All right, let's get to work.
And if you don't have kimchi, you can sub some quick pickled cucumber or even omit it altogether, and this will still be a delicious fried rice recipe. So let's talk about the other ingredients for the sauce. We have some soy sauce, some sesame oil, we have some gochujang. And then just give it a good mix.
All right.
So please hit me with that oil.
Yes, ma'am.
Then onions.
Okay.
Our ginger and our scallion whites.
Okay, scallion whites.
Last up, garlic.
Garlic. You can smell the flavor.
Oh my gosh.
I can't even imagine how it's gonna taste. It
right?
smells.
That ginger and the garlic, as soon as it hit the heat,
Yes.
let's add our kimchi.
All right, let's add the kimchi.
Well, you squeeze
Yes.
it. Next, carrot.
Carrots, all right.
And then the mushrooms as well.
Can I do like a little?
Oh, okay. I think that adds to the flavor too when you do it like that. You want to take a turn?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, get in there.
All right, here we go. Yeah.
Looking so good already.
Yeah, it smells good. It's looking good. Kind of reminds me of myself.
Oh, I have to agree with that. Okay, I think that's looking good for the next layer of flavor. We have delicious sauce.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Look at that.
We want it to darken in flavor and really add to the depth. We're adding our kale and, of course,
the cauliflower rice.
Cauliflower rice.
Yeah.
Now go ahead,
All right,
stir
go ahead,
it.
stir. Okay.
You ready for this? Really get
Look
in
at how,
there.
Yeah, look at how it's changing. And when I'm cooking, I love to check my levels using the FreeStyle Libre 3 app.
Oh,
you
nice.
know what I mean? Yeah.
I'll take over the stirring.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm good. All right. One more thing I love about it, it's so small that I even forget that it's there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's very nice.
This is looking pretty much done. We're each getting an egg.
All right. Boom. Man, this looks so good.
We're ready to plate this up. Just gonna get a nice base of our kimchi, cauliflower, fried rice.
Steam, oh man. Thank you so much,
And
Kalisa.
please garnish us up.
All right.
And I will grab us some forks. Let's taste this.
Let's get it. All right.
Those layers of flavor that we built really came through. That ginger.
Oh yeah. This is really good.
All those different flavors.
Wow. Then we have the egg for the protein. You know what I mean?
This has been so much fun.
Yeah.
Thank you again for joining me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And thank you to FreeStyle Libre 3 for helping me make better food choices. Cooking the food was fun.
Yeah.
But eating it with you was the best part. Do you know what I'm saying? Strong.
I have to agree. Until next time.
Yeah.
Bye.